This refrigerator deodorizer has 3 special advantages. Remove the smell in 1 second, just a little spray. The refrigerator will have some flavor after being used for a long time. Gently spray with our deodorant, and the air will be fresh immediately. Healthy 100%. This deodorant is mainly composed of biological enzymes extracted from natural plants, without adding other chemicals, so it is non-toxic and harmless. Eliminate and inhibit harmful bacteria. The biological enzymes can effectively decompose various odor, inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria, and remove ethylene and other plant ripening hormones. This deodorant is widely used in refrigerators, freezers, microwave ovens, etc. It is used to protect our family health.